Hi guys! So today I'm going to be doing a unboxing and first impressions on the Bite Toothpaste Bits. I ordered this because I travel all the time pre-COVID. I'm going to be seeing if they are good for travel and if they're a nice sustainable replacement for regular toothpaste. So if you're interested in seeing that, keep on watching. So I ordered these a couple of weeks ago and I am super excited to try them. I've actually been holding on to them for a little bit just to be able to do this video. I'm super excited to try these toothpaste bits from Bite because I've been looking for something that uses less plastic and is non-liquid so that I could use to travel with. There was a slight delay in shipping and I had reached out to the company after 2 weeks and noticed that my order hadn't shipped out at all. So I asked them if there was any delay for any reason, and because of COVID and also because of sustainability reasons, they take a little bit longer to actually ship out their products, which in the long run is better for the earth. And as a kind of, thank you or something for my patients, they included a bamboo toothbrush, I believe. And if I don't have it, that's totally fine as well. Pre-COVID, I was traveling a quarter of my time, so about 1 week out of a month, I would travel for work. And one of the things that really weighs down your luggage is having liquids or liquid toiletries. And if you don't have things like pre-check, you typically have to take that liquids bag out when you're going through security. And so I kind of have this goal one day to have a completely liquid-free toiletries bag. I have tried Lush's version, which I think are called Toothy Tabs before, and I've had a few samples of the one that's called Boom. It's got charcoal. However, I think it does work really well, but the taste was just so salty to me. It was like a mouthful of salt. And I think that is a typical, pretty main ingredient for these type of toothpaste tabs. So we'll see if Bites is any different and how tolerable that is for me. Again, I am looking for something that I can use when I travel, if not a replacement for my everyday toothpaste. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at what's inside. So they package their things in this paper mailer. And inside comes with these two bottles. So I ordered the Duo. So there is a activated charcoal and there is the naturally whitening toothpaste. And I ordered the Duo because they came in the smaller bottle. And I think it's about a month or a month supply. They do carry larger bottles. I keep one in my travel bag so that I could use these for travel. So inside it has these little tabs. You would pop one in your mouth and then you would chew them and brush normally. They smell very minty. And my extra perk here that I got was the Bite toothbrush that was a free gift. I think this company is still pretty new, so I think they're trying to create a reusable toothbrush where you can just have replaceable heads. So you can see that these parts fit together so you can make it a little smaller to travel with. So let's go ahead and try this out. So we're in my bathroom now. We're gonna try these out. I got my toothpaste tab, got my toothbrush. Let's go. Hey, so we're back and here are my final thoughts on the Bite Toothpaste Bits. I was really pleasantly surprised by the flavor. It tasted really great. It was just like a minty, fresh breath mint, and it really tasted like crunching on a breath mint, except it's one that cleans your teeth. This toothbrush is a little bit different for me. I've never used these type of bristles before or a bamboo toothbrush. I typically use an electric toothbrush, and I know that's not the most sustainable thing, but it is known to clean your teeth a little bit better, so I think the bamboo toothbrush will be a really good travel toothbrush since I don't have to worry about keeping it charged or anything. It's very lightweight and it's compact, and I can actually take it apart. Can I? I can take it apart and bring that with me, and it'll be a little bit more compact and very light. Would I recommend the Bite Toothpaste Bits? I think it's wonderful for travel, and I'm super glad I finally got to try it. This is probably going to be a replacement for me as long as it keeps my teeth clean. I'm looking forward to bringing these on my future travels, as it's now a plastic-free, liquid-free option that's really great. And also, the sustainable company, their packaging is totally recyclable. It's using metal tops here and glass bottles. So whenever it's empty, you would just buy more bits and refill them. They don't use any plastic in their packaging, which is awesome. This is going to be part of a series where I test out different products to see if they are good for travel. So if you're interested in seeing me review a couple of other products, keep on watching my next video. It'll be linked here or here. Bye.